Now we can express the same Boolean function either with a Boolean expression or with a table, and we can actually go back and forth between the two. So one way we can do that is to work with minterms. So what a minterm is that every time you have a combination that evaluates to 1, we're going to use that as a minterm. And how we're going to do it is we're going to write the product of the variable or the complement. For example, x or the complement of x, y or the complement of y, z or the complement of z for each input. Here's some examples. So here we have an input-output table, and we want to identify the ones. So here's a 1, and to write this minterm, we're going to choose whether to use x or the complement of x and y or the complement of y. When it's a 0, we use the complement, right? And remember, it's a product, so that's multiplying it. So we're going to take the complement of x times the complement of y, and that's one minterm. Then we find another one that has it's 1 as the output. And again, we want to write the minterm. And the way we do that is as a product of the two inputs. And in this case, since it's a 0, it's the complement of x times, now we have y, we have 1, it will be y. So let me say that again. Because we have a 0 for x, it'll be the complement of x times, since we have 1, it'll be y. And so we have the complement of x times y. Those are the two minterms in this table, right? There aren't any others that evaluate to 1. The other two evaluate to 0. So there's going to be exactly 2 minterms. And now we can use those minterms to create a Boolean expression that expresses the exact same function. And that is by summing them together. So we do simply take the sum of the minterms. First, we identify each minterm, then we add them together, and that gives us a Boolean expression for the function that is represented in the table. And that's how we can go from a table to a Boolean expression for the same function.